See, I made money, yeah? So I tried to make more money. I forgot about my setup. I forgot about what I need to do. I forgot about my trading plan. Because you can have a trading plan because you learned how to make a trading plan, right? But when you come to the market, nothing like trading plan. Yeah. You will forget about it.
No.
your mind will not be there. Your emotion will control you then.
How do you get back? How do you decide that I haven't failed in this business? I still have a chance of becoming profitable. What motivated you to get back, and what did you do differently?
Basically, my motivation was this is a career, okay? So you losing or blowing your account does not mean the end of the business. So what motivated me was...
Would you advise someone to quit their job to trade Forex?
When they're beginning?
Yeah.
No. No.
Hello guys, and welcome to yet another episode of the Bullish Banter podcast. We are very happy with the feedback we got from the prior episodes. And today we have yet another trader. So we'll be looking to understand what's currently happening in the markets, what is his approach, what is his best approach in risk management. And once we do this, hopefully you guys drop me some good feedback. Let's see what we have for today. Hi, Ibrahim.
Hi.
We are happy to host you today. So how is your day today?
It's fine. It's going well.
Yeah. Mind doing a quick introduction?
So my name is Ibrahim. I have been trading for 2.5 years. And currently I coach at Isli, a center called Atlas College.
Yeah.
And that's where I teach people how to come into Forex. And that is...
Interesting.
That is how I've been doing.
Yeah. Since the year started, how can you describe your experience in the markets based on what has been happening, the tariffs, the Trump tweets, and everything?
Oh, so how has the trading been?
Yes.
Basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, so on that point, the day has not been that good. Obviously, for people who trade gold, they can tell it has been good for them because the gold has just been pumping up.
Yeah.
But for currency traders, those who mostly focus on the dollar, it has been hectic, a bit hectic. It has been a lot of ups and downs.
I agree.
Yeah.
I remember when Trump was promising tariffs on April 2, like down to the deadline, markets crashing. Then the following day, we start seeing the markets reversing. Then he postponed the tariffs, pushed them all the way to August. And then,
of course, that has been happening a lot. He just tweets something and then something different happens to the market.
Yeah, exactly. It's been crazy. It's been
crazy.
Yeah. So, how did you get into this business?
So, about my background of coming to Forex, I have seen it on TikTok, basically.
Yeah.
I have seen, it was 2022.
Yeah.
I have seen people trading, trying to make money, candles moving up and down. And that's how I was go to Forex.
Yeah.
I didn't just start like that, but first of all, I did a lot of research on it.
Yeah.
I did my research and I came, because there was a lot of myths going on that people are scammers, Forex is a scam, people don't make money on Forex.
Yeah.
And then for me, to clarify that for myself, I had to research.
Yeah.
I went to YouTube because we are the generation of information, yeah?
Yes.
So I went to YouTube and I did my research there.
Yeah.
And so my research told me basically that Forex, if you have the skill, you can make money basically. Yeah. You just don't need to gamble. Yeah. You just need to have the skill and go ahead. So I transitioned to Forex at that year, 2022. Yeah. 2020, end of 2022, not exactly 2022. Yeah. Then after that, I focused on learning. So for the first 7 months, I just put my effort on learning the skills.
Yes.
I never deposited any money. It was just learning. Yeah. So that's how I came into trading. Then after learning, that is when I came to start and try to make money. Yeah. So my exposure was just, I've seen it on TikTok, people trying to make money, and then that is how I was introduced to the Forex market.
On on YouTube, did you have like a specific like favorite channel, mentor, or podcast?
No, on YouTube, if you try to learn from YouTube, you'll not get the exact information.
Yes.
Because if you have many people trying to convey different messages, you'll get confused basically. Yeah. So I didn't like learn the skill from YouTube. What I did on YouTube was I researched on it. Okay, I did the research there of how people make money from Forex. How does it work? Is it legit? And then is it what is it? So basically, that's what I did. Yeah. And on YouTube, if you want to learn from YouTube, you cannot learn from many different people trying to convey messages to you. Yeah. Because you will get confused and it will be hard for you to make money. Yeah. So my favorite person, I will say, I try to look into is if you know photon trading.
Fortune trading.
Photon. Yeah. I don't have like that role model of I look up to. Okay. Yes. I don't have that kind of person. Yeah. But I have a favorite challenge that I was looking into sometimes. It's called photon trading. Yeah.
Interesting. So you've done your background. You've learned that to separate that these guys who are telling me this, these are most likely scammers. Yeah. You've learned, let's say, if I want to start trading, I have to use, let's say, a legitimate broker who is licensed.
Exactly.
And all that.
Yeah.
What next step did you take after that?
So after that step, after coming to find that how the business is done in this field, then I looked for a coach that can teach me. Yeah. And then luckily I was introduced to one coach. Yeah. And he's called Mwalimu. Yeah. Mwalimu FX. Yeah. If I don't think our audience can know that, but he is a Somali coach. Yeah. And that is who I was introduced to. Yeah. And then I learned from him because he was giving the information for free basically at that time. Yeah. So I learned his videos. I watched his videos a lot. Yeah. But if you're trying to learn yourself alone, it will be hard for you. Yeah. So I had someone who was at that time trading also. Yeah. So that person who introduced that coach to me, he was also a trader at that time. Yes. So he was guiding me with the videos, the one I need to start with first. Yeah. After that, which one do I go to? Yeah. So that guy was guiding me, but that was the coach I went to. Yeah. And he has really been my, what do I call him? He's really been my life savior, I call him that.
Amazing. Mwalimu FX, if you are listening to this, we're inviting you here. We want to talk.
Yeah. He should be here.
He should be here.
He should be here.
So now you've gone through his mentorship.
Yeah.
At this point,
he's still my mentor, basically.
Yes.
Because you need a mentor always. Even your mentors have mentors.
It doesn't end. It's a continuous learning process.
It's a continuous process. Yeah.
So once you got into the mentorship, at what point did you get confident enough and decide, now let me go on a live account?
On a live account, yeah. So for the first 7 months, as I told you, I was learning basically, yeah. So, but that learning has not just been looking at the charts and going after books, and videos. So what I was doing was the first 3 months, basically, I was doing that kind of information. I was getting that information. I was mastering the concepts, and then the next 3 to 4 months, basically, that's what I came into the charts to forward test, not back test. I didn't do any back testing. My main focus was the message that I learned. I tried to forward test it. Because some people do back testing, but I didn't do any back testing. So what I did was I forward tested the system with a demo account. And then that demo, when I saw how the system works, then that is when, after that 3 months, I have tried to back test like up to 300 trades for that 3 to 4 months. So after that, that's when I started to feel like, yes, this is now, I can tell where the market is trying to go. So that's when I started to go live account. And then, of course, even if you backtest or forward test, the first time you try to deposit money, it's going to be hectic for you. So after that, and then it was a constant emotional roller coaster, I can say.
I understand. Yeah. I think everyone goes through the same stage. Do you have a recollection of your first trade?
My first trade.
Yeah.
Of course I remember my first trade. Who cannot remember his first trade? So my first trade was basically USD
Yeah.
I remember it was USD and by that time I was good with risk management because I did forward testing.
Yes.
I know what lot sizing was.
Yeah.
I know where to put my stop loss. I knew where to put my take profit.
Yeah.
So basically, it was not that bad because I did my learning before I came to the market. So that trade, USD was a winner basically. So it was not a loss.
Yeah.
It wasn't a loss. But that time when you win is when you start to lose again.
No.
Because you feel like the market is easy for you.
Yeah.
That's when you start to lose now.
Yeah.
So after that, my first trade was a winner. Basically, I did manage to capture some $30.
Yes.
But after that,
that's
I felt myself, but it was hectic. It was after that it was constant drawdown. Until within a week I lost the $200.
Yeah.
So it wasn't easy after the first trade because the first trade, if it's a winner, it will lie to you that the market is kind of easy, kind of manageable, but it's not. It's not.
Well, we call it beginner's luck.
Beginner's luck, obviously. It was beginner's luck.
But it sounds like for you, like it wasn't just beginner's luck. You had prepared well.
I did prepare my background for the first 7 months. So first of all, my focus was to have a skill. Okay?
Yes.
Because if you before actually let me go back, okay?
Yeah.
Before I came to the market, I had one thing in my mind, okay?
Yeah.
So it was like after I did the research of people how people make money from the market.
Yeah.
My research told me for you to make money from the market, you need to have the skill.
Yes.
Okay? So that is what actually motivated me to do the practice and the learning for the first 7 months, because no one can be learning for 7 months basically. Okay, but I had motivation and I also had people who are making money. Okay, I've seen also people who are making money. So I was focusing on my first 7 months on learning skill, so that when I come to the market, it doesn't have to be a luck basically.
Yes.
So that's what helped me first. But everyone, even if you have the most the learning, if you have the best learning phase, when you come to the market and you try to make money, that's when you have to learn yourself.
Yes,
you learn yourself.
I agree.
you learn yourself now.
So follow-up question. What did you learn about yourself? Are you a risk seeker?
I was greedy. I was greedy. I wasn't risk taker. Still now, I don't risk. I am not full margin kind of people. No, I'm not a risk taker, but I'm greedy. So that time, what I did was, I made money. So I tried to make more money. I forgot about my setup. I forgot about what I need to do. I forgot about my trading plan. Because you can have a trading plan because you learned how to make a trading plan, right? But when you come to the market, nothing like trading plan. You will forget about it. Your mind will not be there. Your emotion will control you then. So that time I learned that my weakness was, first of all, I was I was revenging mostly, and I was greedy. So if I didn't accept to lose, I was trying to chase the market. So I learned that I wasn't patient, basically. I was impatient. But it's something you learn. Even if you don't know that about yourself, you learn that you're impatient. You have maybe blood pressure. I don't know.
Vengeful.
So,
I've been there. You've made, let's say, $30. Then you lose. It's the New York session. You're down $50. Then you're trying to squeeze one more trade. You're just saying, okay, let's get back to break even, close the laptop, and to hold. And then you end up with yet another one.
It happens. It happens. It will happen to every trader. You have to accept that it's every journey. It's a journey that everyone has to go through. So it's just something you need to accept. So that you can you need experience. Even if you have the learning experience, you need the trading experience. That's the most difficult phase you'll go through as a trader. It's very difficult.
I think where we're headed is the most important question. And this is where a lot of Kenyan, Ugandan, Tanzanian traders find it very challenging in the markets. You've learned everything you need to learn, the risk management, psychology, you've done fundamental analysis. technical, sentimental. You know all these things.
Yeah.
You have deposited your money, and then after some time, you have lost cash, unfortunately.
Yeah.
How do you get back? How do you decide that I haven't failed in this business? I still have a chance of becoming profitable. What motivated you to get back, and what did you do differently?
Basically, my motivation was this career.
Yeah.
This is a career, okay?
Yeah.
So you losing or blowing account
Yeah.
does not mean the end of the business.
Yeah.
Okay? So what motivated me was wow, how do I put this? How do I put this into words? So
Take some water.
yeah, it's fine. I'll take my water. That is a good question.
Yeah.
A very good question.
Because for me personally, I think that's where most Kenyan traders are stuck. Someone will attempt the first time. Let's say they do $500, $1,000, $20. Then after they lose the cash, they are like, nah, I can't do that. It's too difficult.
I will be constantly losing money.
Yeah. And every trader that I've ever met in this business who is actually making money, they had to find a way to get back. Every time they fall, they had to find a way to come back.
So basically, about motivation, I had nothing to. I had people making money. That was one motivator. Okay.
Yeah.
The other motivator was I had a mentor.
Yeah.
I had a mentor.
Yeah.
Basically, that time I wasn't being mentored by Malimu.
Yeah.
Okay. Malimu was my coach who introduced Forex to me.
Yeah.
But he wasn't. At that time.
Yeah.
I wasn't being mentored by him.
Yeah.
I was just watching his videos. Okay.
Yes.
That time he was not doing any mentoring.
Yeah.
So, but the guy who was making money, the one person I had that time, he was making money. He was a close friend of mine.
Yeah.
So that guy was pushing me. He was trying to mentor me. That's fine. Everyone goes through this phase.
Yeah.
It's a challenge, but you just have to stand up,
Yeah.
dust off yourself, go,
Yeah.
and try your best until you get that experience. So, motivation-wise, of course, I was lucky because I had someone who was making money at that time.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you don't have that kind of person, you just have to believe that this field is a place where you can get money, you can make money, but it's like in every phase, you don't make it at first time.
Yes.
Okay? So if you have that belief, like you blow your account, let's say $200, you blow your account like I did.
Yeah.
If you believe that you are going to make that 200 into something and it didn't work, you just have to go again, okay?
Yeah.
It's not going to be something like that is a first time thing like in any other field. You cannot
it's not do or die.
Yeah, it's not do or die.
Yeah.
You just have to go again and again, but don't just go like blinded or something like that.
Yeah. So once you got back, what did you do differently this time?
Yeah, what did I do different?
Yeah.
What I did different was still after 1 week I blow my account, right?
Yeah.
You cannot just get the money and then get the capital and invest back to the account.
Yeah.
But when you get the capital, it took me like another month to get that capital.
Yeah.
So when I did get that capital that month, I was doing my homework then.
Yeah.
I was doing my homework.
Yeah.
So I went back to myself. I did ask many questions about myself.
Yeah.
Why did I come to the market?
Yeah.
What was my motivation behind coming to the market?
Yeah.
Is it to be financially free?
Yeah.
Was it to make just money? Was it to gamble? What was my motivator to come to the market?
Yeah.
And then my motivation at that time I found was I need to be financially free.
Yeah.
The goal is to be financial freedom.
Yeah.
It's not to be successful at one night or one trade.
Yeah.
And then that I found out that for you to be successful in this thing, you need to have multiple trades.
Yes.
Okay, you just don't need to focus on one trade.
Yeah.
So I did my homework and I went back to my system.
Yeah.
And then I found out the weakness in it, the weakness in myself.
Yeah.
And then after that, got money.
Yeah.
That time it was much better than the 200. It was like 500.
Yeah.
Deposited.
Yeah.
Tried to use proper risk management.
Yeah.
Now I was depending on not one trade but on 30 trades.
Yes.
I tried to focus on making how much can I make from that trades, or how well can I do my best to trade after that he trades.
Yes.
So that is like how I try now to hold my account, not blow it, using proper risk management and trying my best not to use those dirty trades.
Trying your best not to give the money back to the
market. The market, exactly. Forget about the money you can make. Forget about the money you can make. Just focus on each and every trade. Each and every trade has its own outcome. So one trade should not define the market. And should not define your capital. It should be how many trades can I trade and see and get confidence from my system. Because you need to be confident in your system, right? You need to be confident in your system. If you're not confident in your system, you will be blowing account after account after account.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say this. But one of the main reasons that the Somali community has managed to beat the rest of the Kenyans in terms of business prowess is because you guys work together as a community.
Exactly,
So in terms of trading community, how is your community? Do you have like a friend you trade with? Of course, I can already see links between the community, like you have a mentor. The guy, your friend who was trading and making money, also telling you don't give up, this business works.
Exactly.
As of today, do you have like a community you trade with, or do you trade alone?
I have a community I trade with.
Okay.
I have a Discord. That's where we have a community I trade with, and I mentor other traders who go through this phase. Because this phase, if you go alone, it will be hard for you. You need someone who is mentoring you, someone who is making money, someone who is experienced in this market, who can mentor you, who has gone through that phase also. Because every trader will go through the same phase, first of all, when they come to the market. So I have a community. I don't use Telegram, I use Discord. This is where my community is. And that is where I try to mentor and try to help as many students as I can.
That's why in my community you have an inside joke. We normally say if you trade alone, you lose money and then lose your laptop.
You lose your laptop. It happens. It's not something new. You lose your laptop,
some guys will take rage on the laptop itself instead of introspecting. So I really like your approach in that, like you guys have started trading. If things have gone bad, go back, look at what you did wrong. And then try to correct it before you come back.
Absolutely.
Interesting. So, are you trading today?
Today?
Yeah.
No, I haven't been trading today.
So, given the different approaches we have in the markets, we have technical analysis, fundamentals, we have sentimental analysis, and now we have another approach, Trump tweets.
Exactly, Trump tweets.
Trump tweets.
You just need to keep your eye on Trump Twitter.
Are you trading today?
Today I'm not trading. I'm not trading today. Today I had other places to focus on. So I haven't looked at the market.
So to our listeners, today being the 16th Thursday of October, we know there is a lot of stuff happening in the country, sadly. And in the markets, we also know there is a lot going on. Today, we officially got into the third week of the US government shutdown. Economic data from the US side, the non-farm payrolls, CPI, GDP, none of the data is coming in.
No fundamental news is coming out. No news. So you only focus on technical. What's happening technically? That's where you focus on mostly at this kind of time. And the volatility on the currency pairs, it's a bit low compared to how it used to be. We used to know October, November used to be best months to trade. But like this kind of October we have, it is volatility-wise, it's low. Due to that shutdown.
The only source of news from the American side for the dollar is Trump.
That's the only source. The only source we have now is that those tweets. Like last week, he tweeted on giving 100% tariffs on China. Like what happened to the crypto market.
Well,
the only source we have now is
that was crazy.
Those tweets,
I saw Bitcoin dropping by what, 9%?
So it was almost 10%, almost.
And then some other crypto going, I think there was a coin called Atom, went down 100% before making some recovery.
Wow.
Yeah, it was carnage in the market.
He's trying his best to manipulate the market.
Yeah. Have you been affected by any of his tweets or updates?
No.
Yeah.
I haven't been affected by any of his tweets, basically.
Yeah.
Because I mostly focus on the trading, daily trading side.
Yeah.
So I'm not into crypto that much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so mostly where those people are affected are the people on crypto and stocks market.
Yeah.
I'm not into any of those. Mostly I try to focus on FX for some reasons.
Yeah.
Yeah, those reasons, maybe I could clarify it, but it is something related to religion-wise.
Yeah.
For me, I don't trade stocks.
Yeah.
I don't trade indices. I don't trade futures.
Yeah.
Because of something we use halal or haram terms.
I understand. I understand this.
Yeah. So the most place we can be confident trading is Forex.
Yeah.
Mostly because it is currencies.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where I'm comfortable with. So I wasn't affected by any of his tweets, basically. But then the candles obviously move.
Yeah.
I remember that it was last Friday when he tweeted on the tariffs on China. Yeah.
Yes.
I was in Euro buys.
Yeah.
You know what happened to the dollar? It went down. The euro went up.
Yeah.
So he helped us that day, basically.
Yeah. So
with his tweet, we had the market move. Yeah.
So Yellow Man is good.
Yeah.
He's
good.
So to our listeners, this podcast is powered by FX Pesa, and we have Sharia compliant products. So if you want to know more, make sure you reach us on our social handles, and we'll give you more details on the products and how they work. Yeah. I thought that was important to share.
It was very important.
Yes.
It was very important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're not trading today, I assume you've been trading for the earlier in the week. And
obviously, I've been trading the earlier in the week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So kind of like...
Any insights? For instance, I think Euro-dollar has been one of the best performing currencies this year. Besides USD/CHF, I think Euro-dollar has had the most trend.
Obviously, yeah.
Yeah.
The Euro-dollar and the pound-dollar, obviously.
Yeah.
These two haven't been that bad, but mostly they haven't been bad in terms of trading-wise.
Yeah.
But volatility-wise, it has been where it has mostly affected.
Yeah.
Mostly, yeah. The euro has been doing well. The pound has been doing well. And just go by the way it is because we can't do anything.
Yeah.
You just have to accept what is happening.
Yeah. So what would you say to, let's say, a trader who is just starting their journey today and they don't know where to start? Maybe they're not lucky enough to have a friend who is profitable in the market or even a mentor near them.
So, yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah.
For someone who's trying to come to the market, first of all, he doesn't have to think about money. Okay, my best advice for him is forget about money.
Everyone thinks about money.
Forget anything related about money.
Yeah.
Put it aside.
Yeah.
Because for also some people who come to the market, they don't just start from FX basically.
Yes.
Most of them start from binary.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have lost a lot of money onto binary.
Yeah.
And then they hear about there is the real Forex because binary is mostly gambling basically. I believe binary is gambling basically.
Yeah.
So people transition from binary to trading, most of them.
Yeah.
This is how they find Forex.
Yeah.
Most of traders I know. They start from binary, come to Forex. Now, the moment they come into Forex, they already have a lot of money lost.
Yeah.
Right? So they come to the market and try to make money from the Forex without having any skill.
Yeah.
They think Forex is like binary,
Yeah.
of course, which it's not right. Right? It needs skill. You need to have a very strong base for you to try to make money. So for anyone coming to the market, however much you lost money before, or even if you are new to the market, first time, if you're a first timer to anything related to trading, forget about money. Focus on learning the skill. Give that skill a lot of time. Try your best to backtest. Try your best to forward test. And then when you have a strong base, that's when you come to the market. And also, people don't like to tell you, you need to find a mentor to help you. If you don't have anyone who can help you, try your best to find a mentor because he can really assist you. He can really assist you to go forward in that field.
I think I have a pretty good example. Let's say you're a beginner and let's get out of Forex.
Okay.
You want to buy a mat. You want to be doing transport from, let's say, town to Isli.
Yeah.
And you don't know anyone on that route. What are the chances of being successful?
Zero.
Zero, right?
It is zero, basically, yeah.
But
It's like you come from another country.
Yeah.
Let's say I came from Somalia. I came to Kenya.
Yeah.
I don't know. This time we have maps, right?
Yeah.
But let's say it was early in the days when we don't have anything related to online.
Yeah.
You come to Kenya. You want to go somewhere.
Yeah.
How will you go about that place?
Yeah.
How will you go? And you have no one helping you. You don't have any tourist guide.
Yeah.
How are you going to go to that place?
Yeah.
You need to find someone to guide you to the places, right?
Yeah.
That's basically what you need to find.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So make sure you have a mentor, build a community, and with that, make sure you back test and forward test. I think forward testing is something that has been ignored a lot.
A lot of people ignore.
Yeah.
Even I advise some people to try, even if you don't want to forward test with demo, you can, after 2 months of demo testing, you can forward test with 100.
Yeah.
You can deposit, try to 100.
Yeah.
You can deposit 100 and try to forward test that.
Yeah.
Try your best, but don't think about the money. I tell a lot of people to don't think about the money right now.
Yeah.
In the beginning, forget about the money.
Yeah.
What you want is financial freedom, right?
Yes.
You want financial freedom, and the moment you step into the Forex field, you think about money.
I think this is where we differ with a lot of traders around. You'll find that for you want financial freedom, so you have a long-term goal.
Yeah.
But for some beginner trader, they want to deposit money and get the next meal from that account. Pay the next bill from the same
That's
account.
what they mostly look for. They look for the daily payouts kind of thing. But that's not what's going to be in the market every time.
Which makes me wonder, besides Forex, what else do you do?
Besides Forex, what do I do? I used to model. I don't know right now. Before I came to the market, I used to be a model. I used to do modeling for one of the companies who do clothing lines.
Yes.
So I used to model. But when I started to make a bit of money, I stopped that business kind of job. So now mostly the only thing I do is Forex. And now, after I have been a profitable trader for a very long time, I started coaching. So I'm also a coach right now. I do coaching and I give out mentorship. Yeah, that is what I do now.
Interesting. I think I can see a path here. Because for some of the guests we have interviewed here before, they almost always have this thing. Someone is doing this business. They get into Forex, but not fully. They are like 50-50 or doing it part-time. Then eventually when they become profitable, they are basically just comparing how much is my day worth and where do I spend it best? Do I spend it best trading Forex, or do I spend it half Forex, half this other thing? And then eventually people are like, nah, I can't do that. I'll make more money in Forex. So,
Obviously, some people, that's what they do. The moment they see like they can make money from the market, they try the best to make more money. Some people have sessions. Some people who trade London session basically. They don't trade New York session. What do they do after that session? They can go into business basically. Because the money you can make from it, if you're profitable, the money you can make, you can invest it to any other areas. But also some people, they do their if you repeat the question, I haven't understood the question fully. What do you want me to focus on mostly here?
It's a question around like what? I was forgetting the same question. Sorry. Let's see. My thought process is moving a bit faster.
No worries.
It was about what?
The question was about some people, they have that time for the day. Do they try to make more money from the market? Or they just transition into other business through within the day? That was the kind of question you asked me.
So let me rephrase this. Let's make it so direct. Would you advise someone to quit their job to trade Forex?
When they're beginning? No. No. When you do that, you're doomed for losing that time. Because you need to have a side income before this market gives you money. Because when you come to the market, first days, the first month, even some people, you'll see some people saying, I've been in the market for 5 years, for 4 years, for 3 years, and they never make a pen.
Yes.
Okay? They never make anything. So how can someone like that quit his job? He can't, right? So you need to have something that is helping you to make income to support your daily life.
Yes.
So I won't advise anyone to quit his job until he consistently is consistently making money. That's what I will advise him.
Now I've recalled now the point. So there are a lot of young people in Kenya who are really interested in getting into Forex, but because they're in this survival mode, like you have this amount of money, but once you deposit it in your trading account, now you need that account to start paying bills. So how do you address that?
Someone who is depositing a small amount to try to make his daily living from there.
Yeah.
You're never going to make money, basically. You'll never make money. With that kind of mentality, you're not going to make anything. That moment, you're doomed for failure. You're doomed for failure. So I will advise him to forget about making money from Forex to help himself. Okay? The moment you connect your outside life to the Forex market, that's when you lose all the money you have. So never connect your daily life to the Forex market. Never. It is the worst decision you can ever take. To connect your daily life to the Forex market, no, because the market doesn't care about you. It doesn't care about you. So what you need to do is trade the market with the amount of money that you can basically lose. And the money that you are getting as an income should be outside trading. So they should not be connected. This one, first of all, you should treat it as a side income. Side income. But not the income that you need to live. No. I won't advise him to do that.
So I hope I'm getting this correct. You need to have a source of income that takes care of your bills.
Exactly.
Then for the money you're putting in your account is money that you don't actually need today. Or even 3-6 months from now.
No, it should be a money that you will not need for even a year. You can even leave it there, let it grow if you can. So it should not be something you will need daily. So because if you connect that kind of emotion, like there's someone, maybe some people, they have a family to feed. Okay. If he deposits that money that he should be feeding with his family, and he tries to connect the two, that person
will be coming to the market,
and the market
with
is
expectations.
Psychologically, the Forex market is the hardest place to be. So no, it is the worst thing he can do.
Interesting. So let's go back to when you're executing your trade. Do you like trade in an office? Do you trade at home? Would you describe your trading station?
I basically trade from my home. So I don't go to office because I have my setup at my home. So basically wake up, prepare myself, go to my desk, read the charts, because mostly I focus on the technical analysis. So I'm a mechanical trader. You know mechanical trading?
Yes.
I'm a mechanical trader. So I focus on the first 2 hours of my day to basically prepare my technical analysis, my setups, and then go to the fundamentals, look for what the news are coming out. And then, if I have entry, I'll take. If I don't, I'll wait for the next session.
Interesting. So this is some questions that come up a lot, especially in socials. Do you have like a setup with 5 monitors or one screen?
No, I don't have that kind of setup. I just have my laptop, my desktop. That's it. You don't need many things. That is like maybe for a lifestyle kind of thing you can have it, but for a trading, you only one laptop is enough. To mark your setup, that's all you need.
I'm assuming now you're on your station. What do you listen to, or the room is just quiet?
No, I'm not a music guy. So I'm not a music guy. So I listen mostly on podcasts. I watch a lot of podcasts. I love to listen to trading podcasts mostly. I like to listen to financial podcasts.
Yeah.
So my goal is basically financial kind of thing. So I watch podcasts a lot.
Yeah.
And I don't want. There's not other things I focus on when I'm trading. Yeah.
So no music, no.
Music. I'm not music fan.
What's your number one go-to website when you want to know what's happening in the Forex market?
Forex Factory.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
To about what's happening, maybe the daily news when I'm looking for fundamentals.
Yes.
I go just to Forex Factory.
Yeah.
And on other things, I go to tweet on X.
Yeah.
On maybe what is happening, what has been going on daily.
Yeah.
I go to X to find out. But the kind of fundamentals that I look for, I just go to Forex Factory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So, what your favorite podcast?
The Diary of CEO.
The
Diary of CEO.
The Diary of CEO.
Yeah, and I also watch on the trading podcast. I watch mostly is this guy. If you know him, what is his name? The Wizard, Wizard.
Yeah,
I watch him a lot also.
Interesting.
Mostly on trading kind of things, but lately I haven't been watching him.
Yeah,
but mostly those are the kind of podcasts I watch.
Yeah.
And I sometimes, of course, I'm a movie guy. I watch shows.
Yes.
Yeah. When I'm waiting for my setup, I can watch movies. Yeah, it's fine.
Amazing. Any books you would recommend beginner trader to read as they learn about the markets?
Books on trading.
Yes.
Books majorly who focus on trading.
Yeah.
The Trading in the Zone, the psychology book will help them a lot.
Yes.
The Trading in the Zone, it will help them a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the book I have on my desk every day. I try to read.
I think when I was a beginner, I almost gave up. But then when I read the book, I got like, no, I need to get back in the market.
Trading in the Zone.
Yes,
that book.
Mark Douglas.
Yeah,
yes.
that book will help you a lot.
Yeah.
If it's the most information that a mentor can give you, it's there already.
Yes.
But if you're not maybe a reading guy,
yeah,
you'll have maybe it won't help you. But that book is the best book I'll advise anyone to be reading.
Amazing. What would be your parting shot for the day?
Parting shot?
Yeah. One last final message to our audience.
Oh, one last message for the audience. Yeah. I'll tell them, if you're watching this podcast and you're trying to transition into this field and you're trying to know more about this field, focus on learning. And I said many times in this podcast, forget about money. Focus on learning, forget about money. And when you learn and you master the market, you come to the chart and you try to make money, be patient. Be patient as much as you can. And I hope God helps you. Because pray a lot.
Amazing. I think it has been a good session. Thank you guys. Thank you to our listeners. Make sure you leave us a like, a subscription on YouTube. Leave us a comment, a review, and we will really appreciate your feedback on everything. If you don't have a trading account, make sure to check the links in the description below. We currently have an amazing offer going on. So if it's your first time trading on a live account, we have a 100% deposit bonus capped at $5,000. So make sure to check it out. If you haven't checked the previous episode, make sure to check it out too. Thank you.